up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to ceramic coat your wheels. Now, ceramic coating is a new way to protect your vehicle and ensure that it stays looking great for years by repelling UV solar rays, stains, contamination, water spots, and much more. A lot of people put ceramic coating on the paint to protect the vehicle. We actually are ceramic coating this entire Audi to make sure that it's protected. It's a brand new car, and we want to make sure it stays looking good for years. But we also want to make sure that the wheels stay looking good. So today, we're actually going to show you how to ceramic coat your wheels. Now, this is going to repel brake dust and dirt and grime and make your wheels easier to clean over a long period of time. Now, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. Now, the ceramic coating we're going to use today is going to be the Masterson's Evolution ceramic coating. I like to use a spray coating when I'm ceramic coating wheels. It makes for a much easier application, and I get really great results using a coating just like this. Now, before you ceramic coat any wheel, you want to make sure that it's super clean. You get off all the brake dust, all the debris, make sure that it's fully clean. Now, to do that, we used our Masterson's Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash, plus we used our wheel cleaner gel. But the trick is using the ceramic auto wash with your product, whatever wheel cleaner you're using. That way, the surface is prepped and ready to accept the ceramic coating. So now that we got the surface all prepped, the wheels all clean, let's go ahead and ceramic coat it. So we're gonna take our Masterson's Evolution ceramic coating and an applicator pad. And all we're gonna do is take the Evolution ceramic coating and we're gonna spray it on the applicator pad. Now, I like to use an applicator pad just like this because there's so many different small areas on this wheel that I wanna make sure that I get it all. So let's go ahead and pick one spoke and start. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and just spread the coating on all areas of the wheel. Now, a little bit goes a long way when you have the ceramic coating. So I'm trying to go as far as I can into the wheel and get a good protection on the surface. There we go. And we're gonna get the center cap, and just a little bit goes a long way. I already feel that I still have good application. Let's go ahead and spray a little bit more. There we go. And this has a great scent. It's so easy to use. You can use this indoors, outdoors. We're using this in the garage today. There we go. I made sure to get in all these little cracks right behind the spoke. I want to make sure that the ceramic coating gets right in there. Okay, there we go. So once we're done, go ahead and swap out the ceramic coating for your favorite microfiber. Always remove the tag. But I like to use a short nap microfiber for buffing off ceramic coatings. It makes a quick job. And I'm going to take the microfiber. I'm actually just going to fold it once. And that way I can actually get in all these cracks. So now the ceramic coating is actually dried. It's a pretty instant dry. Let's just go ahead and buff these off. There we go. So easy to buff off. That's the cool thing about ceramic coating and the Evolution ceramic coating system is that it's so easy to buff off. We just spread it on and we buff it off and it's done. And because we used just the right amount, we didn't overuse the ceramic coating. Man, it's so easy to buff this off. Nice, man. Now check that out. If you guys want to come in and check it out, man, it's super smooth and we got a nice, great coating result. And it brought out the shine and the metallic look in the wheel. So now I'm going to go grab my favorite tire shine and let's put some tire shine on it. So I hopped over to the showroom and I picked up my favorite tire shine. And this is our Spray Shine Tire and Trim Protectant. I just love the look this gives. I also got our Pro Foam applicator pad. And I'm just going to spray the tire shine on the applicator pad. It's just saturated up. There we go, nice like that. And then let's just give these tires a nice coat of our tire shine. I like to put it on thick and remove any excess. That way we get the nice coverage on the tire. Here we go. These are brand new tires, so we know it's just gonna soak up all of this tire shine and it's really gonna give protection. This is a water-based tire shine, so it's gonna protect against cracking and fading. It's really gonna make the tire look great. There we go. Now after I apply the tire shine, I'm just gonna take my applicator pad, or my towel, and just give a little wipe of the rim. And let's fold our towel over to a clean side. And I'm just gonna give one light wipe. And look at that look on the tire. That's just a great look. It looks all natural. It just looks great, and it's dry to the touch, so it really is gonna look great on the vehicle. Now we have a perfectly clean tire and wheel combo, ceramic coated, dress tire, all with our Masterson's Evolution ceramic coating. If you guys wanna pick up the ceramic coating, head over to our website, mastersonswax.com. If you guys also wanna pick up our Masterson spray shine, go check out our tire shine section. We have a bunch of tire shines going from light, medium, and extra glossy, so you guys can choose the best tire shine and the best products for your ride. Now let's take a look again at it, man. This tire, it looks great. This whole car just looks great. And it really does set it off. When you ceramic coat the vehicle and use the Evolution ceramic coating system, you're really gonna get the best results on any ride. Now guys, my name is Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.